How to delete all posts on Facebook. So as you can see right here, I have several posts that I actually did over the course of few weeks. So if I want to actually delete them, I need to click on these three lines and then click right here on your gear icon, which is your settings. From in there, the next thing we need to do is we can head over and click on the search settings, and then you can see in here this activity log option. You can search for that, but I'll head over and click on this activity log. Now from in here, we just need to choose in here your Facebook activity. Click on this right here, and then you can see in here the post. Click on this manage post. And then from in here, any post that you have created will appear. So what you can do is you can head over and then just click on these three dots and click on this move trash option. So let's head over and then do that right here. And as you can see right here, a post has been deleted. So you just need to head over and then do that in every post that you have in here as well. So that's how you delete all posts on Facebook. Hope you helped.